just got back from this awesome paddle adventure, and we saw manatees and stingrays, sea turtles, jellyfish, so many cool animals, and now they're swirling around in my mind. I can't get them out of my head. So I was eating breakfast the other day, eggs, and I was looking at the egg carton, and I thought, I wonder if I could turn an egg carton into ocean animals. I've made 7 and I'm sharing them with you for the next 7 days. So 1 each day. And I hope it's going to inspire you to get creative with something you would never ordinarily think that could turn into something magical. First up is jellyfish. I think these animals are so cool. In fact, we dive deeper into them in our lagoon's high tide adventure, and we make a big version too that has all of the parts. But this is going to be an adorable mini version. So let's go. You could also use a plastic egg carton for the bell instead. I brushed on some glue with an old paintbrush and then sprinkled some biodegradable glitter on top. I like using biodegradable glitter because it's better for the environment. It prevents wildlife and ocean life from eating those small plastic bits that regular glitter is made of. Let's turn it into an ornament now so that you can hang it all year round or on a coastal or beachy Christmas tree. So here's an idea for how to hang it. Are you jelly of my jellies? I know yours are going to be beautiful. If you love to upcycle, you'll definitely want to stay tuned for my next video, which is the next ocean animal made from an egg carton. In the meantime, check out this video, 3D upcycled coral reef. It's made from tons of upcycled materials, and it's so much fun to make. I'll see you there.